and support in this initiative. I'm honored to extend my welcome to our principal, Dr. M.S. Ganesha Prasad sir, for his valuable presence and constant encouragement. I also welcome our placement officer, Mr. Anand Kumar sir, and all the head of the department, faculty members, and all my dear students for this awareness program. The objective of this session is to enlighten students and faculty members about the importance, scope, and benefits of MOOC platform in enhancing learning and professional development. In this era of digital transformation, such platforms play a crucial role in shaping our academic and career path. Let us make the most of this opportunity to explore and embrace the vast learning resource available through MOOC. Thank you all for being here. I wish you an engaging and information session ahead. Once again, I welcome you all. I now request our Honorable Principal, Dr. M.S. Ganesha Prasad sir, to address the gathering.
Good morning, everyone. Fellow expert speaker on today's program from the VTU and also associated with Genesis, my academic colleagues, HODs, the placement officer, faculty, and dearest students of pre-final year. The purpose of this meeting is just to give an overview of how the one is skill enhancement courses which you're going to take, which will add a kind of a support system for you in your CV, and there is going to be a support from the VTU as far as placement assistance is concerned. Do not look from only placement's point of view. Please look into adding a kind of skill equipping yourself through the skills which are essential in this technology competent world. So in that context, VTU is proposing the skill courses. Of course, may not be mandatory, but taking such courses going to add your value in the competitive world. In that context, Mr. Nadeem is with us from the VTU. So he will be addressing he will be giving a demo how you can take these courses online. By taking these courses online, you can definitely enhance your skill sets and be competent in this competitive world. Also, our placement officer with us, he is closely monitoring the skill courses which have been offered by VTU, and wherever it is possible to map with the soft skills or the technological courses, he will definitely advocate on behalf of you for the forthcoming companies which we have planned from first week of August. First week of August, dear students, let me tell you, your semester is going to start. All of you in the final year, right now all are in 6th, but you will be final year. The first class is going to be on 4th August. On the 4th August, you will be given an orientation, a reorientation classes by the placement office, very specific by the placement officer. On 4th and 5th, the first company going to come to our campus on 7th for all of you. Okay, one big MNC company is going to come on 6th or 7th. The date will be confirmed by placement officer. You should be ready for that. Okay, so these are all the basic necessities which we are actually planning. In that context, please take these initiatives from VTU and also from the placement office as seriously as possible. Okay, appreciated the efforts of Dr. Diveshri in coordinating with VTU officials and also the HODs in connecting with all of you and sensitizing you to be available over here. I hope our placement office will connect with all of you for these two sessions. Then they will update the learnings of this with the forthcoming companies. Thank you, Ananda.
Thank you, sir. We are always honored to hear your words of wisdom and encouragement. Now, I take this opportunity to respectfully invite our esteemed resource person, Mr. Nadeem, sir, to take over the session. Yes, sir. Directly connected.
I also have my PPT. If you want,
Yes, sir.
I'll
That
give
is
you the.
better.
ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, ಇದು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. Anything is fine. As long as I'm on source. Charge, perfect.
Hello, hello. I'm audible to you.
Sir, use this.
Okay. I'm audible to you now. Students who are sitting in the last rows, am I audible to you? Raise your hand if I am audible to you.
Am I audible to all of you here?
Praveen, we are testing this mic. Yes, students, am I audible to you? Those who are sitting in the last rows? No.
ಇದರದ್ದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Good morning, all. I didn't hear good morning, all. Thank you so much. I have been a regular visitor to this college. Yeah, I'm not sure if many of you know me. I have been regularly taking classes for the MBA section. Provincial knows me very well. So today I am here on behalf of Genesis Training to do a demonstration or a demo on skill enhancement courses, I'm sure the respective principals, sir, have already given you insights about, like, how it's going to help you. So I believe you all are sixth semester right now, isn't it? So how many semesters left to go? Is there a ninth semester? No. So what are your plans? You don't have a plan. Finish eighth semester, go home, eat and sleep. Is it so? So all of us have dreams, isn't it? We have dreams, we have aspirations, we have desires. Some of us want to do well in future. Some of us probably want to become an entrepreneur. Some of us want to do leave a mark, etc., etc. So having said that, we all understand. After you complete your eighth semester, you are going to step into the world of corporates. Am I correct? Right now you're in the campus. That is why it's called campus to corporate. Right now you're in campus. Very soon you'll be stepping into the world of corporates. And let me tell you, there the world is not that easy. Because when we were doing our engineering, there was nothing called as AI. You know what is AI? So right now, do you think the job market is still the same, or is it a little difficult? I didn't hear. Is it easy or it's a little difficult? Correct. But still, I believe AI cannot work on its own. Am I correct? You still need to feed an input to get the output. And who feeds the input? The humans, right? So that means to say there is still scope where one can go ahead and do wonders. For that, now answer one question. Do you think only your graduation will help you get a job? Yes or no? No, because in India, there are close to 15 lakh students annually who complete their graduation on engineering. Do all of them get a job? Can you be little loud? Do they all get a job? No. So do you think one skill is enough, or do you think you need to have an additional skill? Yes. So that is where the VTU comes into picture, because as I understand, the major challenge for sixth semester students is internship. Do you all understand? Yes, internship is very important because it's a part and parcel of your academic life. And I have seen students who really don't know, especially who come from tier 2 and tier 3 cities. They really don't know what to do, where to go, because there is no mentor, there's no guide, there's no facilitator, there's no coach, there's no teacher, there's nobody else. So I have seen students, they complete their graduation, they try for a job, they don't get a job, they land up in call center taking calls. Am I correct? Yes, I have few of my colleagues. Even I have done my BMech, and unfortunately I didn't get a job, so I had to literally work in a call center. So what's happening? I have done something else, but I am sitting there and taking calls. Good morning, how may I help you? What can I do for you? I have many graduates who are delivering groceries. Why? There is nobody to guide them. There's nobody to help them, right? Yes. So your VTU has a very good platform, especially for sixth semester students, where they are taking care of your internship. So a course has been specifically designed keeping in mind the internship. So this course is equal to an internship because there are many advantages of this course. Number one, I'm going to just tell you what is in the slide. I'll take you to the slide quickly. Number one, by doing this courses, there are certain courses which you can opt or select for. They give an equal weightage for an internship. Number two, once you complete, you will get the additional enhancement or the additional skills. Number three, you will get a certificate from VTU. Number four, that certificate will have an added advantage in your resume. Number five, you will have an edge over this. And number six, you will be given capstone projects to work. And number six, any issues that you have, we have experienced staff more than 15-20 years who are data-driven, industry-driven, real-time analysis, etc., etc. So having said that, I will quickly start the session. So I would request you all to just please pay attention, because this is really important for you, especially because you are about to step into the next world after 2 semesters. So having said that, let me really start. So VTU, keeping in mind about the internship, they have come up with a course called Skill Enhancement Course, or it is known as SEC. This is a skill enhancement course. Now, what is the criteria? I'm sure you know what is CGPA. I don't have to tell you, right? So the eligibility criteria to get into a skill enhancement course is you need to have a minimum of 7.5 CGPA to enroll into this. So I'm just giving you what do you say, overall picture as what you need to do. Once you have 7.5 CGPA, then you can do is you can register yourself. So there is a barcode which I will show you later in during the program on the slides. You need to scan the code. Once you scan the code, it will take you directly to the video websites. There you need to register. Registration is absolutely free. So let me reiterate. Registration is absolutely free. There is no harm, you can register. So once you register with your details, you will be asked for your credentials. That is your marks cards. So once you submit your marks cards, then the VT will check and they will tell you whether you are eligible to register or not. So once you register, there are a couple of courses which you can take. So I will take you through that. But first, let me take you through the overview of the picture of the SEC course. This is a message from the Honorable Vice Chancellor stating that we all understand the importance of skill, especially in today's world where it is dynamic, where it is data-driven, where there are a lot of challenges, but there are also opportunities provided you pick the right course and you take the right decision. So final year internship, as I told you, so this is a big challenge. So what is that? This course has in free. It builds confidence in soft skill. There's a course on soft skill as well because you all remember when you attend the interview, the first question that is asked is, tell me something about yourself. Am I correct? Why? What is that? They want to check your communication skills. Remember, technical skills can be taught, but soft skills cannot be taught. Time management, decision making, negotiation skills, positive attitude, leadership, all these things cannot be taught. So there is a course on soft skills as well. So what happens if you take this course, you will be able to build your soft skills. That is the first thing that an interviewer or the HR asks. And majority or predominantly your interviews, there are 4 or 5 or 3, predominantly majority are the soft skills. Next, it clarifies the career path. As I said, there are people who will guide you to the correct path. They will guide you to take the right decisions. Networking opportunities, once you join, you will be in a list of people where you will have people from corporates. Like you have the LinkedIn, people from corporates, people who are working, you can go ahead and you can explore the opportunities. Yes. And BTU has placed over thousands of students with the help of their courses. So you don't have to worry. As I said, you will be given 1 year placement assistance. How much? 1 year. So I don't have to worry. If I had taken this, I wouldn't have been working in a call center. I wouldn't have been delivering groceries because I know somebody else is there to take care of me. So as I said, networking opportunities are there. You will frequently interact with entrepreneurs, people from big posts, right? And there are opportunities which time and again they will display, so you can go ahead and get. Now, reality, let's face the reality. As I said, here in India, there are 15 lakh engineers annually, but how many? Only 2.5 lakh get the desired job. The rest, they work in call center or they start their own, business, etc., etc., because they don't get a job. So, unemployment is around 65%. So, keeping all these things, because this is the data that they have taken, that is where they have designed this course. Now, as I said, what are the major challenges in finding the right accessibility gaps in smaller cities? We see people, they finish their graduation, they go back, right? I wouldn't take the name of this thing, but I'm just giving you a basic example. Say, let's say Belgaum or Mysore, tier 2 cities. They try hard. They don't get the right person, they don't get the right opportunity. Ultimately, they cease to exist, right? So the degree, everything is gone for a cost. Lack of awareness, as I said, right? So people who come from this, they don't know what to do, where to go, whom to approach, etc., etc. So competitive selections, as I said, with this course, you will be given an option, 1 year placement, okay, where different organizations will help and opportunities. Next, high cost for relocation. If I have to come to Bangalore, search for a job, I have to stay in a PG, I have to take care of my food, I have to travel by auto or by cab, attend interviews, come back, all these costs. So you don't have to worry about it. And you don't have to even go ahead and do a course where you have to travel. This is purely online. Okay, great. So having said that, so let us quickly go ahead and start. So as I told you here, this course is online. It's purely online. And there are schedules where you can go ahead and you can select your schedule. Then choose from programming AL office. So I'm going to show you the courses. There are 7 to 8 courses which you can select. I will also tell you if you can go ahead and you can mix and match. Next, placement support. As I said, placement support. 1 year of placement assistance you will get, right? And then now let's quickly go ahead and access the bundles. I'll be talking about the fee later. Okay? Yes. Now, if you take these courses, there is no need of internship. That's what it says. No internship until required. Because once you complete your course, you will be given something called as the credit. The moment you complete one course, you will be given 3 credits. So you need to have certain amount of credits for you to get this certificate, which is valued as equal to an internship. So let's quickly go ahead and see here. So this is the first thing. If you want, you can go ahead and scan. This is the QR code to begin. So this is the video online learning portal where you can complete your registration. So I will request you, anyway, registration is free. You don't have to pay anything. So I can only request you to please go ahead and scan this code and check. There is a VTU website where you can find different courses as well. So there's no harm because what do we do once we go home? We are busy with social media, isn't it? Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc., etc. So it's fine. It's fine. I'm not saying please don't do that. You can go ahead and definitely do that. But what I'm saying is spend 1.5 hours, okay, for your own personality development, for your own future, for your own sake, and go to this website and you can check the different courses. So this is the registration code. As I said, registration is absolutely free. You do not have to pay anything. So once you register, okay, you need to submit certain documents, and once you are given an approval, you can go ahead and select the course. So let me quickly get into the course factor. Yes, there are 7 to 8 courses. First, I'll tell you the name of the courses, and then I will tell you. So the first course is graphic designing, where you get digital design, visual storytelling, media creation, etc., etc. The second is programming combo. It's called programming combo because you get all this. Can you see the course on the right hand side? We will discuss this in detail, but I'll just tell you overall picture as to what are the different courses. The third one is called Job Ready Pro Button. The third one. The fourth one is digital marketing SEO. Right now, it's a hot cake. Next, web development and React with Python.